Hello students, good morning. Good morning. Today we are going to discuss one case study. So our case study topic is random variable. So what is meant by random variable? It is a numerical measure. So it is nothing but it is an outcome of a random experiment. Yes, Kavya. So
here I am going to explain the empathy part.
Yeah.
While studying empathy, we try to understand the difficulties of the students while learning the random variables. Because the random variables includes both probability and algebra. Many students feel difficulty while learning the continuous and discrete random variables. The formulas that expected for the value, mean and variance mean difficulties while learning. So for the students, goodness, while we are studying, we can make easier part with the real life examples like coins, dice and exam marks by step-by-step explanation to build their confidence. They prefer tables and graphical methods while learning. While teaching the random variables, they are expecting the teachers to teach easier, more easier while learning. While teaching the random variables, we can use the step-by-step realization tables and graphical methods. While preferring this, the students can learn easier and more easy to learn random variables.
yes, very good, Kavya. Next one.
So I am going to say the difference stage. As Kavya said that most of the students are facing problem to solve the random variable sums. It is two types. One is continuous and discrete. They don't know the difference between the continuous and discrete problems. So the formula may be confused to them. So they can't work out properly and they are not focusing on the real-time examples like coin toss and rolls, dice, etc. While they comparing with the real-time examples, they can easily learn the concepts of continuous and discrete, so that the formulas may be easy. So the syllabus of a random variable also can be easily solved by the students.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. From the discussion about the empathy part and different part, we have come to know that the students facing difficulty in how they understanding the concepts of random variables. For example, in this random variable, we are thinking about the random process that are happening and with the variable. So, for example, we taking the variable x. The simple example for tossing the coin, the number of heads we can for the coin is tossed for the twice times. The number of heads it will be around the three numbers like 0, 1 and 2. So the variable x is mapped with 0, 1 and 2, and the probability of getting the number of heads that can be inferred from p of x. So here the random and variable are linked. For example, p of x is 0 equal to 1 and like that the 3 number of chances for getting there. Similar to this, we can generate our own problems with the students. We are mapping the variable to the random process.
Yes, very good.
So I am going to talk about the prototype creating a learning model. So to create a simple learning model, we need some worksheet with standard simple example problems, and also we need some graph with distribution and probability distribution table. So for example, if a dice is rolled, x will be the outcome. So by this we can clearly visible and more easy to memorize.
So I am going to tell about the testing part. In the testing part, the conduct some push for the fast response to the students, and they ask students to create their own examples and solve the real life examples for the better performance, and they take feedback from the students. And they mainly example test question like if a coin is tossed 3 times, find the random variables and probability equation. And the application of random variables, it is used in games, statistics, engineering, technology, and systems. These are the application of random
Yes,
variables.
very good. What are the applications, Praveen?
So I am going to talk about some applications of random variable. It can be a discrete or continuous, in which it is such as height, weight, and time. And first one is the static and data analysis. It means it calculates the mean, variance, and standard deviation. And the second one is the finance and economics, in which it determines the stock market
Very good. Thank you, students.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.